In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Parcel Panel Order Tracking app on Shopify. To get started, open the Shopify App Store and install the Parcel Panel app. This app helps you create a branded tracking experience for your customers, which can make order updates easier to follow and keep everything looking more professional inside your store. Once the app is installed, open it and allow it to sync your orders automatically. This is an important part of the setup, because the app needs access to your order information in order to display tracking updates correctly. After the sync begins, Parcel Panel can start pulling in shipment details, so your customers can check the status of their orders in one place. Next, go to the Tracking Page section. Then open Page Builder. This is where you can customize the look and layout of your tracking page. Take a moment to adjust the design so it matches your store branding. A clean and consistent tracking page can improve the customer experience and make your store feel more polished from purchase to delivery. After that, copy the tracking page URL from the app settings. This link is useful because it is the direct page your customers will use to track their orders. Make sure you save it somewhere easy to access so you can add it to your store navigation or use it in customer communication later. Now head over to Notifications to set up automated shipping emails. This allows Parcel Panel to send tracking-related updates automatically, which helps customers stay informed without requiring you to send manual messages. Automated notifications can also reduce support requests, since customers can follow delivery progress on their own. Then enable product recommendations. This feature displays upsell suggestions directly on the tracking page. It is a simple way to make the tracking page more valuable by showing relevant products while customers are already engaged with their order status. If used well, this can support additional sales without changing the main purpose of the page. Once everything is set the way you want, click Save to apply your changes. That final step ensures your tracking page settings, notifications, and recommendation options are all updated properly. That covers everything you need to know.